I mean, I think the first thing that struck me was a perfect balance of like teaching and instruction, but also giving you the breathing space to sort of, read up. So the information that goes with it, which is just as important, is really comprehensive. So you just know that you've got that backup. If you're kind of deep in thought, when you're in the sessions, you've got that backup that you can go back to it. But also, it's quite small groups. It's not like you've got 30 people. And the people that were learning with me, that was part of the learning as well, seeing the experience and doing that with them. So really informative. And we had a mix as well of different managers within Be More Social. And it was great to get that variety. And going through the sort of step-by-step process, the A to Z, the balance was perfect. Yeah, really invigorating because, from day one learning new skills, and it was obvious, through the process of joining that there was, a real system there, which has already got proven results. I did a bit of research as well, and I was really sort of enthused to be joining. So I've really enjoyed that first couple of weeks. Yeah, I mean, I've already hit the ground running. I've had a lot of conversations. I mean, it's an unbeatable offer, really, so it's an easy sell. Everything's all done for you, prepared for you, not just in terms of the launch and that training that we mentioned, but, the guidance that you get. And again, the right sort of balance, you're not being micromanaged. There is some accountability, which is brilliant. It's just a Monday morning, once a week, which is just right. It's what you need to kick you off. But it's not, you're not, like I say, being micromanaged. So I'm definitely, I've hit the ground running. I think, consider what you can achieve for yourself in terms of learning, in terms of the amount of customers that you can help, because the number of customers is significant that you will be able to help with this model. I'd say the financial rewards are absolutely there, it's obvious, but absolutely have fun. It's a great team here. I'm here in Doncaster with the team. There's a real buzz about the place. We're on a mission and we'll achieve it.